Thank you for joining us today. Our topic of discussion is on the protection and reporting of abused children against the backdrop of the South African legislative framework. There are tons of kids out there who endure chronic abuse and suffer in silence. They cannot trust anyone. They cannot tell anyone. And they have no idea how to get away from it. Aggression, violence, and viciousness against children is a universal and prevalent phenomenon which is seen to be the most atrocious act against a child. There is a moral and legal duty to protect children in general, which is explicitly addressed in the South African Constitution. Section 28, subsection 1D of the Children's Act holds that every child has a right to be protected from maltreatment, neglect, abuse, or degradation. The Children's Act and its amendment addresses children's rights in its entirety. Section 110 of the Children's Act specifically deals with the protection of children and resonates with the United Nations Convention and the Charter on the Protection of Children's Rights. All persons, including the professional sectors, have a duty to report any child abuse, neglect, or maltreatment that is suspected on the reasonable grounds to a designated child protection organization, the Provincial Department of Social Development, or a police official. If the reporting is done in good faith and substantiated to the relevant authorities, there will be no civil liability as a result of their reporting. The South African legislation regulating mandatory reporting is progressive and complies with international standard conventions for the protection of child abuse and prevention. Thank you.